It's the Gear Tester here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to install a Harris Bipod adapter onto your AR15 handguard. The tools you're going to need for this installation are going to be a chainsaw file or some other circular file and a pair of pliers, and that's going to be it. You're also going to need the Harris Bipod adapter. This happens to be the Harris Bipod adapter number 5. If you're looking for it, it's called the HB5. So if you just Googled Harris HB5, it'll come up. I've modified mine in a way that I didn't need to do. I've used this to attach a bipod to my AR15 for the better part of 2.5 years. But the reality here is that this piece was duplicated on this piece, so it was about that long before I modified it, and I didn't need to do that, and in fact modifying that was a bad idea for the way it interfaces with my handguard. It still works, but you don't need to modify it. Just get it. This is the Harris HB5. That's the part you're going to need. It's going to be about $15. So the first thing you're going to want to do is just remove your bottom handguard, and we're doing this so we can install a Harris bipod onto it. This whole modification, of course. And so what you're going to do is you're going to take your circular file and you're going to want to unscrew this piece here. And the HB5 is going to come with 3 parts. This back plate, this front plate, and then the actual swivel stud that's going to screw into everything. Or a sling swivel stud. So what you're going to do is you're going to want to kind of pay attention to that piece of metal. This is actually going to go on the inside, but just look at that. So you're just going to want to eyeball it, and you're just going to take your file and you're just going to open it up till it's large enough to fit that little portion down into it, just like that. And I messed my handguard up a little bit because I wanted to cut this and move it up. The problem with that is when you actually install this piece like that, and then the Harris bipod attaches to it, at least with the Magpul grips here, and this adapter will also work in the standard Colt or other polymer grips. You can't attach it that way. It ends up not fitting. It needs to be down a little bit further. So if you just follow the standard distance there on this piece and just hollow that out, and it's going to take some filing and some time, but I mean nothing that 3 or 4 minutes won't get you there. So once you've got that installed to that portion, you're going to want to make sure that you've got these 2 pieces together like so. And so this portion, this big plate, is going to crush the polymer together with that big plate. And then the pliers are just going to be used to grab it and just tighten it down. You can finger tighten it most of the way. I try to pay attention and keep that plate there backed up or lined up so that it is not causing a problem. Basically, that's your install, and you're done. And at that point, you can place your Harris bipod on it, or you can just snap it back into place and just use the gun at standard. And then when you want to attach and detach your Harris bipod, let me just show you how this fits together. Some of you may be wondering. Many hunting rifles and things come with a sling swivel already on them, or it's just about as easy as I've showed you to install it into a wooden rifle stock. But once you've got this installed, this little portion of the Harris pops through, and you see those 2 holes there? Well, not 2 holes, but they're 2 little like metal teeth that come out. Those actually go inside the hole on the Harris sling swivel there, or any sling swivel. And then this knob just tightens down tension and pulls it down and locks it all together. And I needed to just move the way I installed that for a second here. There we go. So that just tightens down, just like so. And I've never had that come loose, although I do check it regularly when I'm out at the range. And there's your Harris bipod attached to the rifle. So now we'll just snap that in. There you go. And see if I can get that in. And there you go. There's how the Harris now attaches to your AR15 gun. So it's very simple. It's going to cost about $15, and you're going to need the pair of pliers And you're going to need the circular file, and you're going to be good to go, and it will function really, really well. You can just flip those legs up now if you're using the Harris bipod. Flips up like that, fire the gun normally, and flip it down like so, and use it to shoot at the range. So there you go, the Harris bipod adapter install on an AR15 handguard. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more quality video reviews on shooting, camping, and survival gear.